Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to go live with music on Bigo Live. It's very easy guys, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is of course open Bigo Live app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on the go live button at the bottom area of your screen. Alright, so once you click on that, you find all these options at the bottom area. You find the guest live, you find live, audio live, and game live. Right, so select game live, and then next thing you want to click on this area, and then you get the option to select music. So select music, and then what you have to do now is to click on OK. Once you click on that, you'll be asked to start recording or casting with Bigo Live. All right, so this will allow you capture any music streaming app on your phone while you are playing it, and then it's going to be streaming it on your Bigo Live account. Right, so go ahead and click on that start now button. So once you click on the start now option, go to your home page. So go to your home page, and then open any music streaming application like Spotify for example, and start playing your music. So once you're playing your music, Bigo Live is going to be capturing the entire screen and casting it on your Bigo Live, right, on your Bigo live stream. All right, so that's it guys. All right, if you look at the top area, you find this option to see who joined your Bigo Live and also the comments you are getting. All right, so that's it guys. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to go live with music on Bigo Live. If you guys give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.